Hi, I am CHANDU, and today I would like to explain about basic concepts of C++ programming language. And I hope to use a presentation and some screen recordings for explain. There are three fundamental concepts in a programming language. They are sequence, selection, and repetition. So I hope to explain those things with examples. By the way, after this video, you will be able to set up a C++ environment in your machine, and also you will be able to create a program using C++. Without any more discussion, let's go to the video. Okay, let's go. This is the presentation I created for demonstrate how to set up an environment for C++. Let's go. You can see this slide shows usage of programming language like C++. When we're talking about programming language, it converts user manual tasks to digital format. Then it is easier to use. Okay, programming languages like C++ simplify user tasks by providing abstraction, predefined functions, and syntax, streamline code creation, and enhancing the code readability and maintainability. So in this way, programming languages are very useful for users to create themselves more efficient and productive. So what is the specialty of C++ in comparing to the other languages like Java, Python, Ruby, like that? So C++ offers object-oriented programming, robust typing, memory efficiency, and comprehensive standard libraries, facilitating versatile, high-performance software development capabilities. So then, how to set up C++ environment? First, you should install following exe files or following programs: MSYS2, Terminal, and then Visual Studio Code. After that, after installing those things, you should configure SplashKit in MSYS2 Terminal. Okay, that's it. What is MSYS2? MSYS2 offers Windows users Unix-like tools, a terminal, and a package manager, enabling a Unix-like development environment on Windows. What is Unix? Unix is also similar to Linux operating system. Okay, that's it. Visual Studio Code. When we're talking about Visual Studio Code, we can say this text editor also. Not only C++, but also it can create Python and other programming languages files also. So Visual Studio Code, a Microsoft developed open source code editor, boasts extensive extensions, making it excellent for software development, and it's free for use. So what is SplashKit? In a previous slide, we mentioned that SplashKit should configure through MSYS2 terminal. Why is that? So the reason is SplashKit is a framework simplifying 2D game and multimedia development in languages like C++, Pascal, and Swift, enhancing creativity. That's the point. I repeat it, enhancing creativity. Okay, let's take a look at how to set up C++ in your desktop computer or laptop, anything else. So first you should open your browser and type splashkit.io. Okay, the website is like that. In here you can see installation guides. Click it. Choose your operating system or virtual machine, also accepted here. I choose Windows. Okay, these are the 4 main steps to install SplashKit on Windows. First, install the MSYS2 terminal. Click it. All the instructions are provided here. So MSYS provide a Unix terminal environment for Windows. We will need this to run the build commands to create our SplashKit programs. Download the correct version of MSYS. Okay, let's go there. This is the official page of MSYS2. So in here you can download MSYS2 setup. So by clicking it, you can download. So keep. I will cancel because I already downloaded it. So you can download it like that and open when after download. So after that, you can set up MSYS2 by clicking the setup you downloaded and follow these commands. You can follow these commands. So after that, after completing that, you can see a software running on your desktop, like MSYS2 terminal. You can search it on start like that, MSYS. You can see like that. Okay. After installation, let's go back. First step is successfully completed. Next step is configuration of splash kit in this MSYS2 terminal. Open MSYS2 terminal, and you just need to copy this command and paste it here. I already done those things before, so nothing will be changed because I downloaded it before, I configured it before. So you can copy the code and paste it here. So after that, as a next step, copy this command and paste it here also. After running those two commands, if it is successfully completed, type skm on your terminal. Okay, you can see here splash kit is installed successfully. Okay, you see that. Then we can go to next step. Next step is installing Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code. Let's click that link. In here you can download Visual Studio Code for your Windows machine. You can see I can keep download and I cancel because I downloaded it before. After downloading, run the setup and configure the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the final step. Installing language specific tools. SplashKit works with a number of programming languages. As I mentioned earlier in that presentation, SplashKit works with a number of programming languages like Python, Pascal, Swift, C# also, like that. Each of these has its own set of tools you will need to install. For C#, install the .NET Go tools. For C++, install G++ in MSYS2. So click here. Open MSYS2 terminal like that. This copy this command and paste it here. I don't do this because I do it and I configure it before. After running it, in Visual Studio Code, you should install the following extensions. You can download this. You can install this following extensions while that command is running, because this command gets sometimes to execute. So let's open Visual Studio Code. Okay, extensions are here in Visual Studio Code. So I type this. Click it. You can see I already downloaded this C++ language for Visual Studio Code. So I already downloaded it. You can download it here. Another one is VS Code icons. VS Code icons. You can see here. That also I already downloaded it. You can download it by clicking here, by clicking install button. So that's it. After that, you will successfully configure the splash kit and C++ on your desktop PC, desktop computer, or laptop, or any others. So you can run C++ successfully in your machine. Now we can test example code in C++ with the use of splash kit and Visual Studio Code. So first we should create a folder for that. I open a folder called examples I created for this purpose. You can open any other folder by clicking file, and then you can either open file or folder. So I open a folder, so there's no any files in that folder, you can see. So I created a file using this terminal. Now in here we are in a most basic location in the PC, so I can see where your works, and thereby my folder is example. So that's it. Now we are in the examples folder, you can see it. So let's create a C++ file in here. How to create that? This is the command for that. Skim new C++. New command run successfully. You can see here, new command run successfully. Now here you can see some files are created. VS Code, include, editor config, program.cpp. This is the basic part of C++ program, any of C++ program. So we can say this is the body of the C++ program. We should include splash kit.h for configuring splash kit here. So let's create a simple program. So I want to output some message like hello world. I type right line. Hello world. After every command, you should remember to put a semicolon. Without semicolon you can run it, because it will make a error. I cut the semicolon and you run it. You can see there's one problem here. Show errors. Expected a semicolon in line 5, line 6, column 5. So that's it. After that, run it. You can see clang command runs successfully, so we can execute it by msys2 terminal. Okay. In here we can output our program by skim c clang ++, our program name, that means program.cpp. How should we output that file? I output this as output. So that's it. Press enter. clang ++ command runs successfully. We can execute that program by full stop and slash, and the name you put for the output. I use name as output also, so for easier. Okay, you can see hello world, it output hello world. Then we can somewhat extend this program. I take a user input for this program. How to do that? When we take input from user, we should memorize that in anywhere or some location. So we created a variable for that. Variable is like we take a part of memory from our computer to store some values given by users. That's it, variable. So how to create a variable? There are some types of variables like string, double, integer. So I create a string variable. Variable name is var. Put a semicolon here. So read line, sorry, var equals read line. So that's it. Okay, no any errors. If you have any error in your program, this program.cpp text should be in red color. So that is a simpler way to identify there's any error or not. So in here, user don't know the program is requesting for input, so we adding a code, right line code, brackets, then enter your name. Okay. Okay, save it and then run it by msys2 terminal. Using up arrow and down arrow, you can search previous codes you type here. I run it, output it, enter your name. So my name is CHANDU. Sorry, my antivirus program, my antivirus software is checking for a virus in that file, so that is an unknown file. That's the thing. Enter your name, CHANDU. So that's it. Then we can update this program to somewhat different and somewhat harder. This is the basic part of C++. This cannot be say as hard, so we can output the user input also. Copy this code. I output wow, and make a string to display hello, how are you? So that's it. Hello, how are you? It's a string. This is not a input to someone else. This is a string. This is only for displaying. And after adding plus mark, you can see variable that is to the name of the user. So we can run it. Save this file. Okay, we save this file and run it. it again. I give my name. You can see there's a message, hello, how are you, Chandu? This is variable. This is the user input. This is also displayed in this program.